Take your sales team to the next level by automating manual tasks and reaching customers faster with Calendly's HubSpot integration. Now, your reps can spend more time with customers and less time on admin tasks as contacts and activities automatically generate in HubSpot when a Calendly meeting is booked by a prospect. If a contact already exists, Calendly simply adds the meeting activity to the record for seamless tracking without tedious and time-consuming manual entry. Calendly is also purpose-built to complement the work your reps are doing, not complicate it. That's why it's easy for HubSpot admins to embed booking tiles directly to a rep's dashboard or create custom buttons to allow reps to book meetings without ever leaving a contact record. As an easy alternative, reps can use our browser extension to get Calendly at their fingertips, making for quicker contact with less task switching. Finally, Calendly's powerful integration makes it easier than ever to connect prospects and customers to the right rep the first time. Connect Calendly Routing to your HubSpot forms, and Calendly will look for contact ownership in real time to connect your known customers to proper reps for booking. With HubSpot plus Calendly, hitting your number just got a whole lot easier. Happy scheduling!